Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to learn about typecasting in Python. So typecasting is a way to convert one data type to another, and in our previous videos we have covered variables and data types. So let's get started. Typecasting is very useful when you need to ensure that your variables are of a specific type. So Python provides several built-in functions to perform typecasting. Let's start with converting a string into an integer. So here is an example of converting a string to an integer using the int function. So I'll create a variable, I'll name it my variable equal to 123. I'll print data type of our variable. Before typecasting type function will pass my variable here, my variable, and let's typecast our variable. My variable equals to int function my variable. So let's now also print after typecasting type of my variable. So let's run this. As you can see, the data type of our variable was string, and now it's an integer. So in this example we have a string my variable containing the digits 1 2 3. By using the int function we convert it to an integer. So notice how we use type function to show the data type before and after casting. Next, let's see how to convert a string to a float. This can be done using the float function. So here is an example. Let's replace 1 2 3 with float 4.55, and let's replace int function with float function, and let's run this. As you can see, it converts string to float. So in this example we have a string my variable with a value 4.55. so using the float function we convert it to a float. So again we use the type function to display the data type before and after casting. So let's also see how we can convert numbers to strings. So let's replace our string with a number like 755 and replace float function with string function. Let's run this, and as you can see it converts an integer to a string. So in this case we have an integer with the value 755. By using the string function we convert it to a string. So we use the type function to show the data type before and after casting. So one important thing to remember is that typecasting can sometimes lead to errors if the conversion isn't possible. For example, here my variable equal to hello, it's a string, and if we try to typecast it into an integer, it will throw an error, as you can see. So this will raise a value error because the string hello cannot be converted to an integer. Always ensure that the data you are trying to convert is compatible with the target type. And that's a simple introduction to typecasting in Python. We have seen how to convert strings to integers and floats, and how to convert numbers to string. So typecasting is a very powerful method that helps you ensure your variables are of the correct type for your operations, and we'll be having more practice with this in our future videos. So if you have any questions, drop a comment below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching and happy coding.